What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the Passive Income Trucker channel. I appreciate you coming on in here. And if this is your first time here, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell icon so you're notified anytime I upload new videos. I greatly appreciate it. And if you find value out of the content of this video, also give me a thumbs up. In today's video, we're going to be going over Digistore 24 and a little bit different mailing system that is in the back end of MLGS Secrets. So stay tuned for that. My name's Curtis, aka Alright. So in today's video, we're going to go ahead and go into MLGS Secrets right quick. I'm going to log into my first account and go into the back end of it here. Right here where it says it recommended advertising, we're going to go to that. I'm going to go ahead and close that one out. And you'll see there's three different type offers for different advertising. And you can do any of these if you want, but I have not done this one. I have not done this one. As you can see, this is a newspaper live. It says get your site listed in 30,000 plus newspaper across America. I've not tried it yet. I don't even know how much it costs, but this one is organic prospects, which means about 75 to 100% of these prospects are interested in what you have to offer. So, and as you can see, I've already got my username in there. So I got, building a downline on it. And I've not tried this one. It's twice confirmed traffic. Not sure how it's actually working or how it works, but maybe later on down the road we'll give it a shot. But for now, this is what I wanted to show you. I've already got an account set up. You set it up just like MLGS Secrets. Just a few little different things. And you can also daisy chain these as well, just like you can MLGS Secrets. So if you're lost on what I'm talking about there, go back into my playlist, check out the Digistore 24 playlist and the ClickBank Series Challenge. And that'll explain how you can daisy chain them under yourself and or get other people under you to be able to make more leads every single day. So we're going to log in here. It's going to take it a second to get logged in like it should. Don't know why it don't. Alright. So this is going to be your home page for this. Organic prospects. And you can watch this video when you start it up. The cost is going to be about the same. I think it was $59.95. About 5 cents cheaper per account. And then $29.95 a month. Something of that nature. But pretty much a $30 setup fee first month and then $30 a month thereafter, recurring for these particular accounts. So in this, you can see I've had a few days now. You only get 70 prospects per day. Now, if you daisy chain them, I believe you get up to 140 per day. So it works just like MLGS, only just not quite as many leads. For the same amount, but these people are supposedly more interested in what you have to offer than in MLGS Secrets. Why that logged out again, I don't know. Now, this has a mailer just like MLGS Secrets. Same principle. You select all, and you don't have to worry about that. And you see, this has the same type thing where it saves your emails. And here's your subject line here. Now what we're promoting with this, we went back to the social media jobs to get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Now you can make a commission of $20.38, 75 commission on the sale of this product. So let's go to the affiliate support page on it, find our email swipes, which are provided for free, just like in everything else. And Let's see, let's go to number 3 here. And we're going to copy this subject line right here. And we're going to go back to the organic mailer here and paste it in here. Now, only difference is on your short codes for this, they're down here at the bottom. And they're a little different. Just a little bit, but you can copy them and put them in as well. Let's put it in right here. Control V. Oops. And we're going to say to make money. Well, let's put some dollar signs in there instead of money, because that seems to get people's attention more. All right. And the body works just the same as my lead gen secrets. You just highlight it, delete it out. Go back to the body here, copy it all the way up there. Copy. And you can paste it in here. Only thing is, you don't get a dialog box on this one for whatever reason, so don't try to do that. Just hit Control V and it'll paste it in there. Now you see it just says name there. Let's put first name, because I don't know if name will work or not, but we'll just do this. Then it just says hit this blue line to apply. This is going to be your link right there. What you want to do is go back to your home page on Digistore and copy that link. Go back to your URL there, paste it in. And there you go. Now, I'm going to change this to red because I'm going to change that to red. And if you want it to open in a new window, I would suggest you put that in right there. You ain't got to put nothing in for the title. Because see right here, I'm going to, wait a minute. Yeah, I'm going to change it to red. You can change the text, but you can't highlight the box on this one like I can on my lead gen secret, so keep that in mind. And you're pretty much done right there. As you notice, you can't add pictures in this. You can add a source code if you'd like, and pretty much change the font sizes, and we're gonna bold and italicize this one here. There we go. And you're done, pretty much. Just hit preview. This is what it would look like. Check your link. Make sure it goes to where it's supposed to go. There you go. Online social media jobs. Hit close. And this is all I've promoted with this so far. We're going to stick with this for a little while, see what happens. See if we do get any better sales through organic prospects and leads. And hit send. And if you noticed, I have sent, let's see, 140, 280 leads this. And like I said, you could also, I believe, daisy chain yourself under this as well. Let me see here. Let me go to that. Log in. Yep, right here. All you gotta do is copy that link, because that's your particular link. Open a new browser address bar, paste it in there, hit enter, and then you can hit Go Organic and set you up another account. Now, for the time being, I'm going to leave this one account going. And you can see right here, you will receive 70 organic prospects immediately after joining, an additional 70 every 24 hours. So the same thing, you can only mail out every 24 hours. You can also download your contacts and put them in a autoresponder if you got one, but you don't necessarily need one. You can see, yeah, here's the price, $29.95 a month for membership plus the one-time setup fee of $30. And that's pretty much it for this video. So we're gonna keep an eye on it, see how it does in my Digistore 24. Like I said, all we're promoting is the social media jobs. So stay tuned for that. And if you, like I said, if you hadn't subscribed, please do so. Get value out of this video, of the content of it. Please hit that thumbs up and make sure you hit the bell icon so you're notified anytime I upload new videos for this particular product and emailing system. I thank you. See you in the next one.